Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have a very special unboxing because the lovely Angela over at Angela's Life Journey, or Angela's Haunting going on with Dave Angela Tony, she changes her name a lot, has sent me a wishlist parcel. Now she did say that she sent it off my wish list, so I believe it's a painting. I don't know what to expect. Apparently this came the other day and she said, have you received it? And I'm like, I didn't even know you sent it. So yeah, apparently this was delivered, and I asked my mum if she had it and she was like no. So I went there today and it was there. It was just behind a different parcel, but let's get into it. I don't know what to expect. I am so blessed and privileged to have these, some amazing friends that, very kindly buy these things for me, and it just means so much that, it really does mean such a lot. And the only gifts I don't keep is, of course, if I've blocked you for any reason, then they all get destroyed. So yeah, but anyway, this is what I've got in here. So what is it going to be? Is it going to be something I know? Is it an animal? I don't know. As you can see, I've not tampered with it, so I have no idea what to expect. But we have... Oh, is it a flower? Oh, wow. Okay, it looks like a flower. Is it a flower? What do we think? Let's turn it over. Oh, yes! Oh, yes. Right, I know what this is. Right, this is going back donkey's years. Right. Oh, Angela, you just know I love flowers, don't you? Right, let's move that over to one side, because the first thing that we've got in here, so it's all going discombobulated here today. The first thing that we've got in here today, do you like my new ring? I got it from Temu. I used to have it on this hand, but I just thought it looked more fashionable on this hand, because with me, I love Pirates of the Caribbean, and Johnny Depp always wears his rings, some on this hand and that. But anyway, yeah, this is gorgeous. So this flower, this brings back memories, because I had a very similar flower to this donkeys years ago, and I got rid of it because I used to be friends with someone, and seeing that photo just reminded me of them constantly, and I just had to get rid of it because it was just haunting me basically. And I put it back on my wish list, because to me, if I put it back on my wish list, I know that it's fresh, it's something that, doesn't remind me of that person, and it's something new, it refreshes it, and my brain is refreshed, if you get me. So yeah, this is really, really lovely, guys, and Angela knows that I love flowers there. Really, really colourful. I think it's going to be heavy on confetti, yeah. That rhymed. But we've got 22 colours here, and it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. We've got our tray and the pen, and I know you've been a bit worried, Angela, that you thought that I didn't receive it, but remember, I only visit occasionally, so I'm not there as much as I used to be. Used to visit every day, but I'm just too busy these days. But yeah, we've got some bags in there, so Tessa, I'll send them out to you. And yeah, this is the 30x40, absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's get into the little bags. And we'll start that. Okay, so we'll get that into there. And as you can see, we've got that lovely... This colour keeps coming up a lot. I really like that colour. It's a mint sort of green and the dark purple. And obviously, how did you know, Angela, that it was going to be... it is flower themes as well. So it's like the Chelsea flower show tied in. So you just knew, didn't you? But we've got some... That's what you need to do, Angela. Get yourself a wish list, and then I can return the favour. I don't know what colour that is, terracotta maybe. We've got pink, we've got greens, we've got pink again, a very sort of like lime green there, pink and green and purple and pink again, and mustardy and blue again, and light blue, banana, pink, pink. Oh, that's not a grey, is it? Bluey grey, there's a new colour called bluey grey. So that's pretty good, and we've got a brown colour there, and probably purple or, yeah, lilac, and then a dark purple. So I'm really, really happy with that. As I say, Angela, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for your very kind generosity to this. It's always nice when you get a gift, because I do spend quite a lot on these things, and you know, it's nice when someone else gets you a gift. It puts a smile on your face. And I know obviously in my videos I'm always saying if you want to get me a gift, but that's just because I like to go through the sister channels, the gifts, the the Facebooks, any social media. I've just got into that habit of going all through the all my different like Facebook and wish list and groups and this, that, and channels and stuff like that. But I'm really happy with this. It is so lovely of you to do that. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. I cannot wait to get started in this, because I can see it's going to be a lovely sexy flash of colour, and it's got that lovely light appearance too. It's gorgeous as well, because you've got that heavy confetti and then it goes down to being light again. This is just absolutely gorgeous, and I think it's a little bit different since from the last painting as well. I like the little fuchsia pink in there. But thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, I cannot wait. And I think up here will be a lot of multi-placing as well, looking up there. I do like paintings where you get a multi-place. But anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe. And if you do want to get me a gift, just like Angela did, you can do so. The wish list is in the description of the video. However, you're not obligated to, so you don't have to if you don't want to. Please check out my sister channels, which are also in the link of the description of the video. Please check out Facebook. I'm no longer doing Instagram, so I'm in the process of removing that. I'm getting very fed up with social media. It takes over my life, and I'm trying to sort of like downsize things, because it's just too much. I can't get to everyone I mean, people can contact me, I have no problem with that, but obviously it's getting back to people, and at the moment it's like a week backlog, so I just am struggling to get back to everyone, and it's getting a bit overwhelming really. But yeah, really good. I mean, eventually it will just be going through email. I don't really plan to continue social media much longer. But anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you next time for another unboxing. Take care, catch you later.